वस्तु पयो सत संतोख विचारो अमृत नाम ठाकुर का पयो जिसका सबस आधारो जेको खावे जेको पुंचे जिसका होए उधारो यह वस्तुत जीना जाई नित नित रख उर तारो हम संसार चरण लग तरिए नानक ब्रह्म पसारो। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। This is the slok of Guru Arjan Dev Ji, and it is written on Ang 1429 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. In this slok, Guru Arjan Dev Ji is telling us that the real food that we need to imbibe in our life needs to be served in a plate. So we see so many channels in which delicious food is served. So here Arjan Dev Ji is also talking about a delicious dish for us. And what is that? What are the ingredients? He says, Thal vich tin vastu payo. He says, put 3 ingredients in the plate of your life. Thal is plate, a big plate. Thal vich tin vastu payo. And what are those 3 things? Sat, Santokh, Vicharo. Truthfulness, contentment, and contemplation, vichar. Thal vich tin vastu payo, sat, santokh, vicharo. Now, along with these three ingredients, you need to add Amrit Naam Thakur ka payo. The ambrosial nectar. He is comparing the name of the Lord with that of the nectar. Amrit Naam Thakur ka payo. किस ठाकुर का? जिसका सबस आधारो. You add the Amrit Rupi Naam of the Lord who sustains everyone. Jiska sabas adharo. The whole universe is being sustained by this Thakur. So that Thakur's name you need to contemplate along with truthfulness, contentment, and your vichar, thoughts. थाल विच तिन वस्तु पायो सत संतोख विचारो अमृत नाम ठाकुर का पायो उस ठाकुर का जिसका सबस आधारो. Okay, now we may have added our truthfulness. We may be truthful at times. We may be content. A prisoner also is taken to the police, and when police interrogates with the criminals, they break up. They speak the truth. So, is Guru Arjan Dev Ji talking about that truth? The prisoner may reveal the truth, but does he enjoy that? So he keeps a condition there. He says, Jeko khave, the ones who make their daily food of these ingredients. I'm repeating these ingredients: truthfulness, contentment, and your thoughts mixed with the name of the Lord. Amrit Naam Thakur ka payo. So he says, Jeko khave, the ones who imbibe these things, eat these things. Jeko khave. Khave here means imbibes, adopts it for the life. Jeko khave. And he keeps another condition to that. He said, Jeko punche. Punche means relishes, enjoys it. A prisoner who is breaking up in front of the interrogative team, he is revealing the truth. But is he enjoying it? Certainly not. But Guru Arjan Dev Ji is telling that if you can imbibe these things in your life and also relish it, Jeko khave, Jeko punche, tiska hoye udharo. He gets the salvation. And further he adds, okay, today I've spoken the truth and enjoyed it, but maybe tomorrow I'll not. Maybe I speak truth for a week, for 1 month, and then I discard it, and again I go back to falsehood. I become discontent with life. I don't come out for with an open mind. He says, Jeko khave, Jeko punche, tiska hoye udharo. And then he says, Ehe vast taji na jaye. Vastu, ye vastu. The vastu that you have made in this plate of your life. E taji na jaye. ए वस्तु तजी ना जाए. तजी मीन्स तज देना. तजना मतलब छोड़ देना. It cannot be discarded. It cannot be on temporary basis. It has to be adopted on permanent basis. He says, ए वस्त तजी ना जाए, नित नित रख उतारो. नित नित. It has to be imbibed daily. Nit nit rak urdharo. And if we do that, what will happen? He says, Tam sansar charan lag tariye, Nanak Brahma pasaro. Tam yani andhakar. This universe, if you see, it is full of darkness. Tam sansar charan lag tariye. प्रभु के चरणों का सहारा लेके, by taking the support of the feet of the Lord, tam sansar charan lag tariye, Nanak Brahm pasaro. O Nanak, the Lord has made this Brahmand, Brahm ka pasara jo kiya hua hai, it's infinite. Stephen Hawking also failed to answer the question whether the universe is, he has given us Big Bang theory, but in that also he is unable to conclude whether after that Big Bang, suppose if there was a Big Bang and all the universal bodies are part of that Big Bang, he failed to give us any evidence. He says there's no evidence in which we can say whether after that Big Bang the universe is expanding or it is coming closer to each other. So tam sansar nit nit rak hurtaro, e vast ji na jaye, nit nit rak hurtaro, tam sansar charan lag tariye, Nanak Brahm pasaro. Is pasare ko hum par pa sakte hain. That is, we can get the salvation. We'll reach a blissful situation, a blissful state of mind. I'll once again repeat the sloka. Mudhavani Malla, it's in Mudhavani Rag. Mudhavani Malla Panjama, Thal Vichtin Vastu Payo, Sat Santokh Vicharo, Amrit Naam Thakur Ka Payo, Jiska Sabas Adharo, Jeko Khave, Jeko Punche, Tiska Hoye Udharo, Eh Vast Tajina Jai, Nit Nit Rakhur Taro, Tam Sansar Charan Lag Tariye, Nanak Brahm Pasaro. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।